What are you guys doing?
不要它，它一直抓我，我的脚都是爪。啊，慢走慢走。
Now we are at the boat paddling with a cat at Huatakhe. It's called Huatakhe Cafe and Guesthouse. Look at all the cats over there. I'm so excited right now.
Go there, go there. 这里面是死不出来。
哦。 During the summer, this is not hot at all because like we're in the river and like the wind and waters make us so chill right now.
At golden hour, the Huatakhe Canal becomes a playground for the neighborhood's most adventurous residents. These cats have traded naps for boat rides for 6 years, showing balance that would shame a professional sailor. Watch their curiosity take over as they fearlessly hop onto kayaks and SUP boards to inspect every visitor. This unique tradition perfectly captures Lat Krabang's slow-life charm and a feline bond you won't find anywhere else in Thailand.
There's a cat like hanging on the neck of the tourist, but like no cat joining us. The cat loved on our neck and back like this. Oh my god, it is.
กินแซ่บนะ They're eating the chicken fried rice มันค่ะจูอร่อยไหม FYI, all the cats are cut the nails already. So you're gonna got the how to call, they're scratching on our back or neck. Even when they hook our hand to eat the food.
You're so heavy though. Little chubby one. Hello. Are we friends now? Are we friends now?
หนูอยากเล่นกับสามสีบ้าง
I think she knows how to call a cat though.
I'm a cat person.
手得到有没有名字？
To reach Yaek Huatakhe Cafe and Guesthouse, start by taking the airport rail link to Lat Krabang Station, where you can easily catch a local minibus or taxi for the short ride to the entrance of Soi Lat Krabang 17. Once you arrive at the end of the Soi, follow the walking path over the canal bridge into the heart of the charming Huatakhe Old Market to find the cafe. This riverside gem offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle, nestled right at the junction of the scenic Prat Buri Ram and Huatakhe Canals. It's a straightforward journey that transitions quickly from modern transit to the nostalgic atmosphere of a traditional wooden community. Experience this unique adventure for just 200 to 300 THB per hour, a price that includes your kayak, paddles, and safety life jackets for both you and your feline companion. To secure your spot, message the guest house via Facebook or line in advance, especially for weekends, and aim for the cooler morning or late afternoon hours to keep the cats comfortable. While the venue provides the boat, be sure to bring along a dry bag, sun protection, and some favorite cat treats to ensure a smooth and happy journey on the water.
Yay!
So sweaty. I smell like cats.
Okay guys, after we do the boat paddling with all the cats, we really excited and like heart melting because we both are like cat person and I really enjoy it. I thought it was gonna be like hot because right now it's summer in Thailand, but like when I get in the boat, like the view, the water, the air, the vibe and the cat like makes me forgot all the heat. I really like it.
Yeah, they're super cute. He just even like did not hiss to us or scratching hard because their nails are trimmed already.
And if you are interested in this kind of content and this kind of like interesting place in Thailand, you don't know where to go in your holiday, please like and subscribe down below to like get our new content. Bye!